Alright, so that pulley has been whining at me like a supercharger for a couple of weeks. I know. But Steve, I don't hear any whining. Yep, that's problem number 2. See, I've been blaming that idler pulley. The line didn't go where I want to fix something. It went away when my alternator died. So either I've got 2 bad parts, or I was wrong about what was causing the whining noise. Either way, we're going to change both parts while I'm in here. Here's what I mean by dead. The battery with the engine running is showing 12 volts. If my alternator was working, that number would be like 14 volts, give or take. Alright, let's get this battery out of here. That's good. It's belt off on here. There we go. Push the tensioner. Slide it right through. Get your breaker bar. It's a whole lot easier. I'm going to replace the belt. I'm just going to go ahead and take it off of everything. Let's go ahead and get that idler pulley out. Alright, got the whole one out. 2 washers and a bolt. Here's the whole pulley. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. It's a little crunchy. Here's the new one. Put it in. Washer there. Washer there. Feed it back in. Well, that's the pulley installed. Now let's take this alternator out. Let's move this cable out of the way as much as I can. This cable. Battery wire. Sixteenth of a turn at a time. Okay. off out of the way. So the last thing should be the mounting bolts. One there, and right there. Doubt you can see it, but let's go ahead and get those out. That's the bottom one out. That one. It's getting hot out here. Just the alternator. I think that's the one that was screaming at me, and I just got lucky with that one. Alright, there's the new one. Time to put this in. I upgraded the alternator to the 130 amp like they have on the towing package, because eventually I'm going to do the towing package on this thing. But anyway, let's get this put in. Alright, I got the bottom in, kind of. The bolt's not threaded yet, but it's through the ear. It's hard on my back. It's not cross-threaded. Alright, let's get these tightened down. Ooh. Sorry about that. Choke it down. Now, if you guys weren't standing right there, you wouldn't get hit with the ratchet. Let's get this bracket back on. Bracket's tight. Put this plug on. Plugs on. We'll put the battery cable back on. Time to put the belt back on. And if you didn't take pictures or you don't have a diagram or whatever, just remember, smooth side of the belt goes to a smooth pulley. Ribbed side of the belt goes to a grooved pulley. Snake this around the thing. Oh, come on. There you go. Alright. Go. Give it back. I don't need that anyway. Alright, let's get this battery back in. Where are the holes? There we go. Alright, good enough. Alright, battery's in. The truth, let's see if it worked. Oh, would you look at that?
Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that.
No more supercharger whine or any other whine. Battery light's gone. It's charging.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
As it turns out, it was the alternator that was the whine the whole time, and I just got lucky and heard the bearings going out on that idler pulley. So both things were bad, but they're fixed now. So if your truck's whining and you've been telling yourself that it's fine, it's not fine. Go check your pulleys. It's free and pretty easy. So if this saved you a tow bill, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. It's the only sponsor I got, and it helps me make more videos for you guys. And I do appreciate those of you that are subscribed. Anyway, that does it for this video. I'll catch you guys later.